Hakadosh Boker Tov. We're continuing with the halachot of the Aseret Yemei Teshuvah, Rosh Hashanah, Kippur, Yamim Noraim. It's brought down in Sif Bet. What happens if a person comes and he says Ha'ela Kadosh, and Toch Kede Dibur, which means within the 2-3 seconds he comes and he changes to Hamelech HaKadosh, right? So Eno Tzarich Lachzor, he does not have to retract, and this is what the Shitat Shulchan Aruch is also by Hamelech HaMishpat. If you remember, we already brought down that the minhag, right, was to do like the Ramah. It's also the Ben Yishchai, right? It's also the minhag of Morocco as well, that by Melech Ohev Tzedakah Mishpat, we do not have to retract, because once you said Melech Ohev Tzedakah Mishpat, so you don't have to retract. However, though, according to everybody, basically, it's coming out that if a person, Toch Kete Dibur, came and he fixed it, so then there's no problem whatsoever. Now, this is only if he's going to fix it. However, though, what happens right now if he's going to start the next paragraph? So the second that he's going to come and he's going to start the next paragraph, says the Mishum Rav, right? Why? He comes and he says, but if he already started, right, even one word of the next paragraph, right, then he would have to actually retract and start again the Amidah. And that's also the psak of the Chazon Ovadia, of Rav Ovadia Yosef as well. The last halakha that we'll mention is Sif Hey. Sif Hey comes and he says, what happens if a person did not say Zochrenu or Michamocha? Right? And obviously we know that the same halachot would apply to the other last two as well. Whether it's Uchtov L'chaim Tovim, Usev L'chaim Tovim, the halakha says, En Machzirin Oto. We do not bring him back. What does that mean? You do not have to repeat. Which means that the second that you actually made the bracha part, so then you're not allowed to go back. You're allowed to add it in during Shomei Tefillah, but you're not allowed to go back and repeat it if you've already made the mistake and you skipped out Zochrenu, Michamocha. Once you go to the next bracha, that's it. You missed it, and then you could answer, you could add it in the Shomei Tefillah, or if you want, you could add it in the end of the Tefillah when you do right before you let it on, right? But that you could just add in, but you're not supposed to go back and machzirin oto, and that's very, very important. So therefore, you just pay attention throughout the Aseret Yemei Teshuvah that you're saying the Zochrenu Michamocha, and just remember also about Hamelech HaMishpat, Shen Kamo, what we mentioned on the Friday night that we're supposed to be doing as well.